Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second video review, okay, of the ZL02 Smartwatch. So we are done already with the design and the specs of the wearable. Okay, we already showed you the specs. It's already, we have it here on the box. Okay, and we have a sneak preview of the UI of the wearable, as well as the screen display, the watch faces. Okay, this time we are going to explore more on that, okay, especially on the features. So if you have any questions regarding the ZL02 Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore the UI of the ZL02 Smartwatch. Okay, it is a minimalist smartwatch with a different features loaded to it. Okay, so let's start with the UI here again. So this is the design of our ZL02 Smartwatch. So let's check on the UI. Okay, so this is the UI of the wearable. So let's try to adjust the brightness display here. Okay, so this is our watch faces. Oh, different watch faces here. Okay, so far it looks okay. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the right side we have the main features here. We have health, blood pressure here in just one screen, and blood oxygen monitor. We also have the weather, shutter, remote shutter, music player. We have the breathing guide, and that's it. Okay, on the left side we have the different functions available here in the smartwatch. Again, so let's check. We do have the music control, okay, remote control for camera. We have the weather, blood oxygen. What's this? So this is blood oxygen monitoring, so it can detect whether you are using it or not. This is the blood pressure. How about this one? Okay, we do have the exercise function here. We have walking, running, cycling. We have a skipping rope, badminton, basketball, football, swimming, and that's it. Again, how many sports do we have? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sports function. Okay, so if we do have the swimming here, it means that we do have a very good waterproof rating for the smartwatch. Okay, for example, walking, let's see. So what are the details here? We have the steps, calories, distance, beats per minute, and time. Okay, go back. We have the heart rate monitoring. We have the beats per minute, heart rate zone, 24-hour heart rate, average heart rate. Okay, so let's see. Okay, will it detect or not? Okay, beats per minute. Okay, so it checks or it detects whether you are using it or not. We do have a sleep monitoring, automatic activity tracking the steps, calories, and distance, as well as the 24-hour steps with graphs on the smartwatch with last 7 days trend. Nice. We have games here, young bird, somewhat like a Flappy Bird, and 2048. Go back. We have the settings. We have stopwatch, alarm, timer, menu view. So let's switch to the list item. How many menu view do we have? We only have 2. Okay, vibration, brightness, theater, reset, power off, about, and a QR code. We have the game settings. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so it got the basics. Okay, basic feature for the smartwatch. Again, what we have is the steps, sleep monitoring. So steps is the automatic activity tracking. We have the sleep monitoring, heart rate, training, blood pressure, blood oxygen, weather, shutter, player, music player, breathing guide, games, settings. We have the stopwatch, alarm, timer, menu view, brightness, vibration, theater mode, reset, power off, about, the QR code, and that's it. Okay, so basic features with a simple design, a unisex smartwatch, and it is loaded with a swimming sports function, meaning we do have a very good waterproof rating. So we don't have, do we have a Bluetooth call? Let me check it again. So we don't have a Bluetooth call, but we do have recall notifications as well as message notification. Okay, so that's it for our ZL02 Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Bye.